Artcos is one-stop shop for all your printing needs. We provide high-quality printing services using large format printers from Epson. We help bring our customer imagination to life through technologies. We provide many services such as laser cutting, branding, art, and design development. We were one of the first in the Middle East to use Epson's first UV flatbed large format printer, the SureColor SC-V7000. It's flexible. It can print onto any surface and any variety of materials such as foam board, glass, acrylic, and metal. So it also allows printing on rigid surfaces of up to 3.14 inches thickness. We also have the SureColor P20000 large format printer and the SureColor P9000 photo printer to help produce high-quality photos and digital art to meet all our customer needs. We want to produce all artwork in-house without having to use external suppliers, and that's why we chose Epson. Epson solutions allow us to provide different services such as retail printing, outdoor signage, window displays, packaging and decor products. Sustainability is important for our customers. Epson's digital printing solutions help us to be more sustainable without compromising on quality and efficiency. The printer is used for more than 56 hours per week, so it's really important for us to have a reliable solutions for heavy-duty printing. Service and maintenance are excellent, and the team is always available to help out immediately. We deal with many customers who is looking for high-quality printing, especially photographers and artists who require specific colors and resolutions. We have received many positive feedbacks from our customers, mainly on how the color brightness is excellent and the ink is durable, especially for outdoors. Our customers choose us for all their printing needs because the quality of the printed artworks we produce is best in class.